Today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can somewhat optimize your Chromebook for gaming. Make it run a little smoother. I will say though, if you're going to do this, make sure you also change in-game video settings to actually make it run smooth. Because let's say your game was lagging a lot, right? Then you want to change the in-game settings. Anyway, you want to go to Chrome. Okay, make sure you're in a new tab, and something you want to type in is Chrome and slash flags slash number symbol num raster thread. Alright, that's something you want to type in. Okay, so just gotta give it a second. There are two things that you need to that we're actually going to turn on, which is the cross-community GPU support and the schedule configuration. All right. What this is doing is it is optimizing, or not, I would say optimizing, but making it to where you fully use your CPU. All right, because it's not using much. Same thing with the GPU. So what this is doing is you don't have it's not activating your GPU. All right. So this is what this is doing. But what you want to do is go to your schedule configuration, click here, and it'll say default. Okay, click on that, go down to enables hyper-threading relevant CPUs. Okay, and then for the GPU support, just click enable. When you do that, it will tell you to restart your Chromebook, and then you want to go ahead and restart it. It's that simple. That's really all you have to do. So hopefully this guide helped you out on gaming. All right. So, yeah, I appreciate you guys. Subscribe to my channel, turn notifications in the comments down below. Tell me if this guide helped you out. So I'll see you guys later.